Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to start with creating the mouth. So in the previous lecture we have created the topology for the eyes. So to create the topology for the eyes, we have done one mistake, so you can correct it. I have corrected it just before I started the recording. So you just have to press E and then rotate it in rotate and keep the top part in the front, so it should look like this from front side in this way. While rotating you can press J, or else if you come to the channel box in X, I have written 90 degree. You can do any one of this. So after doing this we can come on the mouth. So the image is little bit pixelated, so you will not be able to see it properly, but it is a small lip, tiny and tight lip. So I will just imagine and start creating it. We will be only creating the one side, the other side we will mirror it later. And to create this we will need create polygon tool. So select this tool by coming to mesh tool and then click on create polygon. Create one point here. We have to create a V shape here, so create one point here, then another point a little bit up, and then come downwards, and this will be our end point. After this is done, we have to create the edge for the lower lip, so can create somewhere here. After this is done, press W so that, or press enter, so that polygon will be created. We can also go to vertex mode and then edit the vertex however you want. So after this is done, we can go to edge mode, select all the edges by double clicking on it, and after this is done, we don't want this sorry, we don't want to select this middle edge, so by pressing Ctrl you can deselect it and come to perspective view, and in the perspective view you can extrude it. So to extrude it we can click here on the extrude, or press Ctrl plus E. So I will press Ctrl plus E to extrude it. Before extruding it, we will go to object mode, and in the side view you can see that the polygon which we have created for the lip portion or the mouth portion is here, and the pivot point, if you see by pressing W, the pivot point will appear at the bottom. So select the mouth polygon and then go to modify and click on center pivot. After center pivot you can bring it here and change the position. After changing the position, now you can go to the perspective view and select all the edges. Actually I was selected the edges before, so now this has done the work automatically for me, so I don't have to select all the edges and deselect it again. Now we can press Ctrl plus E or click on this icon, press Ctrl plus E and extrude it in Y direction. This much is enough. After extruding it, move this backside, so by pressing W you can move in X direction in this way. We want all the edges in diagonal, so sliding in this way we want. Okay, this much is enough. After this is done, we can go to face mode and delete the middle face. So we are not able to see the lighting on the faces because the lighting has gone here and we are seeing the back faces. So to reverse it, we can click on mesh display and click on reverse. After reversing the faces, bring this little bit up. From the bottom you can see that it is straight, so we want the mouth shape to be a little bit curvature in sphere. So we can go to vertex mode and select all these vertices. After selecting these vertices, the pivot point is not appearing properly, so press W and go to object mode. Select all the vertices, press W and right click and go to object mode. Bring all the vertices little bit in front, and after doing this, deselect this vertices, this four vertices, and bring this again little bit more front. Something like this. So from the bottom it should look like curve, spherical. And after this is done, we have to select all the four vertices of upper lip and bring it front. You can also bring this portion here, so little bit here we want this. After doing this, go to edge mode, select this edge, upper lip edge, and then hold shift and double click on the lower lip edge here, so it will select all the in between edges, and then press Ctrl plus E or click on this extrude command. Extrude this in Z axis. After extruding this, now you can just select this edge, press W, and we don't want to move in the normal direction, normal world direction, so press W, right click, and then go to component mode. Move this in Z direction and also in X little bit. So after this is done, so now we will again go to the edge mode, select this edge, and then by holding shift double click on this lower lip edge, and doing this you can select all the outermost edges and then press Ctrl plus E or click on this extrude command again to create the topology here. And now I will move in Z axis. After doing this, press W and you can move this. The pivot point is not appearing properly, so I will press W and right click and again go to the object mode. I will move something somewhere here. So after doing this, you can go to the side view and see this. It is not looking properly, so I will take it back little bit here. After doing this, I will again go to the vertex mode, select this vertices and bring this front. Bring this somewhere here. Select this vertices and bring this also forward. Select this vertices and bring this front little bit more. Select this vertex and bring it here. Don't work only in the side view, go to perspective view and see how it is looking. So you might be doing some mistakes in the side view, so you can correct it by coming here. Select both this vertex and move this backward. Press 3 and see how it is looking. So till here it is okay. We will add some more detailing in the next videos. So for now we are just blocking it out. Press 1 again. So go to edge mode, select this edge, and by holding shift double click on this edge, so it will select all the in between edges, and now you can give the extrude command. You can also give the extrude command by holding shift and right click and then select the extrude edge. Now I will extrude in this Y direction. After extruding this, going to the side view, X-ray it by clicking on this icon. We can go to edge mode, not edge mode, vertex mode. Select both these vertices and move this upward somewhere here. Move this vertex also little bit up. Now we need to merge this both the objects, so select both the eye topology and the mouth topology, and after selecting both the topology of the eye and mouth, we need to combine it. So we can go to mesh and then click on combine. So now it is a single object. We need to merge the vertices here, so by going to vertex mode and then selecting both the vertices, go to edit mesh, and inside edit mesh you can click on merge. So after merging both the vertices, you can also merge these two vertices. Select both the vertices and press G to repeat the command, and same as it is, select these two vertices and then press G. So till here it is done. So from here you can see that we have created the topology. From here it is going around the lip portion. So now if I create the other half, this side, if we mirror this, but before mirroring it we will select all the vertices at the center, and these are not perfectly in the center. Some of the vertices are being moved, So we will scale it and bring it in one line. So press R and scale it in X, not yes, and scale it in X direction. After scaling it, now you can again go to the object mode and mirror the other half on this side. Now we will go to the edge vertex mode and scaling all the vertices properly. You can see all the vertices are not in the middle, means not snapped to the center line. So we will again go to the vertex mode by selecting all the vertices and pressing W. We can snap it to the grid. So turn on this icon here. Uh, we can see this icon here, snap to grid. So turn on this and then move this here and again turn off this. Now we can mirror it on the other side. So to create a duplicate on the other side, we will go to edit and then click on the duplicate special option box. Here we want to create, flip it on the other side. So in the scale, we will write -1. Before writing anything or typing, just go to edit and reset it once, and then in the scale X you can type -1 and then hit on apply. So this has created a copy, but the copy is not at the proper position, so we will delete it again, and we need to keep this pivot point at the center of the grid. So to do this, we will press D. By pressing D, we are in the edit pivot mode and turn on this option called snap to grid again. If you are not able to see this icon, you can reset your workspace by clicking on the workspace and reset current workspace, or the shortcut key to turn on this grid option is called X. So you can hold X and then move the pivot point. While you press X, the option will turn on, and as soon as you release the X key, it will get off. So it's good if you click on this once and then you edit the pivot point. So now I will edit it and keep it in middle and again press D so that we are out of the edit pivot mode. Now we can select the topology and then go to edit and click on edit duplicate special option box. All the parameters are proper, and then click on the apply button and close it. So selecting the overall and pressing 3, you can see how we have created till here. You can see a hard edge in middle. So we will get rid of this edge by mirroring the same on the other side. Now we have did the duplicate special. So to mirror this, we can also go to the mirror option in edit and then not in edit. We can go to mesh and then mirror it. So by clicking on mirror and then keep the border merge border vertex and then click on apply and close. Now you can see there is no no hard edge in the middle. So by doing this thing, you can get rid out of that, but we will not do this now, we will do this later. So now we will extrude this edges. So select this edge and by holding shift and double clicking on this edge, again extrude this. We have to extrude this edges till here, till this vertex. So press Ctrl plus E and then extrude it. After extruding this, press W and then move this till here. Somewhere till here, and go to vertex mode and select this vertex and move this vertex keep it somewhere here. Merge both these vertices. So selecting this vertex and then going to mesh, not mesh, edit mesh, and then clicking on merge. This will merge both these vertices. Don't just get stuck here. We also need to see in the front view and adjust some of the vertices. To adjust this, select this vertex and bring it down. Bring this vertex somewhere here. So you need to work on this vertex so that you will get rid out of the here you need to do some of the changes in the topology. Also adjust this part. Go to the vertex mode, select both these vertices, and by pressing W and right click you can go to component and move this outside. Again go to the object mode. So we need to do some changes in the vertex. So go to the vertex mode, and after going to the vertex mode, select both the vertex again and in its normal direction move this here. Same as it is, move this vertex here. The topology should be proper. After this is done, we have to extrude this edge till here, and this will be our last edge loop. So to do this, we have to bring this vertex a little bit here. So go to the edge mode, select this edge, and by holding shift double click on this edge and extrude it again by holding shift and then right click, extrude edge, and extrude in this way. After extruding it, press W and then you can move it. So I'm in the component mode, so press W and left click and again go to the object mode. If you are not able to use this, then you can also double click on the move tool and then change the option from here, from component to object or world, whatever you want. Go to the vertex mode and select this vertex and keep it here somewhere. Now we want to merge both these vertices, so to merge this, select both the vertices and then you can also hold shift and right click, shift right click and then merge vertex, and inside merge vertex you can click on merge vertex to center and again come to object mode. Now select this and press 3. So you can see a small dent here. To get rid out of this dent, we need to add one edge loop here, but this we will do in the next upcoming videos, where we will define more give detail to this head structure. So see that you practice till here.